Here we have a narrow boat to come through on the bridge here, turning around there up towards Tewkesbury Marina. Actually know somebody's looking to buy one of those locally. Expensive to moor around here though. I think he's probably thinking about Tamworth. That's for a pleasure trip. There's a few anglers around here as well. The marina being over there. Also do some pleasure trips on certain festival days. I think there's the St. Richard's Festival, or certainly that's the Tewkesbury Big Weekend, I think they call it. There's a few of these boat homes are back. I think it's the Tewkesbury Big Weekend. They do boat trips out to Twinning, but it's usually up this end of the town. Reversing there. The big weekend which takes place, I think, is the end of April. There we are, nothing this year due to the coronavirus. The Tewkesbury Marina just ahead there.